Summertime is, of course, a time when kids are home from school, mommies are trying to figure out what to do with them. It's a time for family reunions and vacations. And if I can think of the one place I would give my life to be, it's not Disneyland, Disney World. Paris would be nice. But if you just flew me 55 minutes, an hour and 10 drive to Miami, I'd be a happy girl. That's like heaven to me. And Ty and I, we spent many summers there in our family reunion, celebrating our grandmother, the matriarch of the Lindsay family. Before I go on, just a minute. Gotta give a shout out to Korla Ukulele, who made me the prettiest pink ukulele ever. Anyways, besides this song being full of love and family and meaning, I get to also ask my brother Ty to join me in singing, and he's really shy. And I don't know why. To tell you the truth, he has a real job. I don't have a real job. This is what we do all the time. But Ty is actually this superintendent of this roofing company. He's telling me, of this roofing company. He's super smart, but he's an awesome bass player too. So, you ready, Ty? Thank